Hey, good morning, everybody. Just gonna post a short video here because I do know I had one student check in with me yesterday and ask a question about something, and then I had one email over the course of the night. Um, with the Mint website, if any of you are having an issue with any of the calculators not letting you calculate something, sometimes some computers, and it's kind of a stupid problem. Uh, if you're trying to like fill in boxes and things that you need to fill in. I'm just going to plug numbers in. As you go through here and you select things, like let's say that you need to save for 6 months. If you try to hit calculate, it may not let you. It's because this box here, you need to put a zero in and then it'll solve things. Stupid fix. And I kind of feel bad that I didn't think about it. I know in the classroom I probably would have caught that fairly quickly. So if you're having a problem with the website, that is the fix to the problem.